What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Bassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to staking to my Guardian node if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens, or to my Elite Edge node if you're trying to stake your T-Fuel. Help out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible to restake back again on the Elite Edge node. Utilize on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the future NFT partnerships that'll be occurring on Theta Network, and just really looking forward to however else you would like to utilize those type of opportunities, or even withdraw it back to your bank account after converting it to whichever wallet that you want to utilize in the real world. Enough with that introduction. Going on to the news of Theta, we're going to see that Mitch Liu posts here, what do you see Theta Network? Do you like it? And then you can see here all the type of headers are changing. The GPU as a currency of the future. Next one would be here, that'll pop up soon, hopefully shortly. The DPIN resource sharing economy, rendering 3D Gen AI, video Web3 infrastructure, AI at the edge, and then it just recircles back to the beginning. So just a nice quick little short introduction to what the website is changing and evolving because of all the different type of categories it's involved in now. I believe since like back in 2019 or 2020, 2021 when I made this channel, there was really only one type of utility. Now the future has changed a lot. There's still been the core function of video and gaming in a sense, in terms of that, but also along with AI, all this new technology, NVIDIA, the partnerships and GPU processing for future work and collaborations. So just amazing to see these type of evolve, or the advancement for what the Theta Network was originally, still is that foundation, but has evolved into something bigger. Going on to the next here, even Mitch saying to the Grove Wars, congrats Grove Wars, looking forward to its subchain TNT20, Edge Cloud AI, and Epic. Going on to this next part, Theta Network even posting, exciting news, we're looking forward to the upcoming Theta subchain launch of the Grove Wars Web3 game and its TNT20 token Grove. Going on to the actual Grove announcement, they're excited to share some news. Grove Wars, an immersive Web3 battle game with in-game utility and staking rewards for holders of the upcoming Grove token, is coming soon. AI powered by Theta Network and Theta Edge Cloud AI. Stay tuned. When you go onto this, I did not see a release date as to when this is actually going to occur. There is also this link right here if you want to go into more about this game. I'm going to hold off on that just for now, just because of all the other announcements that I have for you in this video altogether. So if you'd like I said earlier, check out all the links down below in the description, because I post all those down there so you guys can stay caught up with all the news that I'm presenting to you guys. Continuing on to other news, we're going to see here FedML, DBRX by Databricks, and Grok 1 by XAI are now available free at FedML Nexus AI. They now offer the Playground API access and private deployment for the two most recent open source foundational models by Databricks and XAI on FedML Model Hub. You can use these models for free in their Playground and use APIs for free, and further create dedicated endpoints for production. Here's a little bit introduction as to what these are. Databricks, the large language model developed by the Databricks, outperforms many open source large language models and even proprietary models like GPT 3.5 thanks to the efficient mixture of the experts architecture. Databricks has open sourced DBRX, allowing enterprises to customize and improve their model for their specific use cases. And Grok 1, this is the remarkable large language model developed by Elon Musk XAI, notable for its massive scale, innovative mixture of experts architecture, open source availability, and unique personality. Start using these models at FedML Nexus AI, your generative AI platform at scale. So check out that link down below. Also, if you plan, or if your business or your organization or yourself is interested in using this technology, but it's nice seeing that the continued development for FedML AI, utilizing their platform to gain more individuals to utilize that type of database and source. Continue on even more to FedML, we're going to see here, startup is about endless innovation and building differentiation. They are thrilled to introduce how their team innovates model serving for Gen AI in all layers, including MLOps deployment workflow, scheduling, and serving engines. These are the 5 major bullet points here highlighted in this article as well. 5-layer model serving architecture, distributed cross-cloud model endpoint, scale large language model serviceless and memory efficient model serving engine for the large language models, zero code serving pre-built models by clicking deploy twice, quick start serving pre-built large language models by command line, and dashboard, and further advances customize, deploy, and scale. Now I'm going to read the entirety of this article. Just want to read some of the highlights as to what these bullet points are so everyone understands what is going on with this partnership with Theta Network. This, when you click on this link, it was posted on March 27th of 2024. Here is the highlight of those type of snapshots, that thumbnail for this introduction. This is the 5-layer model, one of the first bullet points, and you can see here as to the layer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the deployment and inference endpoint, launch scheduler, serving framework, definition of inference APIs, and the inference engine and hardware. So here's the 5 figure that I just said. So introducing just for the beginning here says this layer enables model customization, scalability, scheduling, ops management, by logging, monitoring, security. But overall, going on to layer 4, this is the layer the machine learning, system research, and hardware accelerator companies work to optimize the inference, latency, and throughput. Go on to the second type of tab. Distributed cross-cloud model endpoint. One of the unique features of the FedML Nexus AI model serving is that a single endpoint can run across geo-distributed GPU clouds. In further scales AI agents by enabling distributed vector DB, such as a system to provide a range of benefits from improved reliability and better performance using that cloud type of GPU source. He says the reason why this is important because of the increased reliability and availability, scaling, performance, cost efficiency, and risk management and data sovereignty. The reason why as to this is important for this type of bullet point that was listed earlier. The large language model, serverless and memory efficient model serving engine for large language models. So overall, the Scale LLM is a serverless and memory efficient model serving engine for larger language models with industrial grade design and optimization of model inference techniques, including weight quantization, KV cache quantization, fast attention, and fast decoding. Scale larger language models have achieved following the remarkable results. So basically, from what I'm understanding from this type of paragraph, just the quicker access to creating and solving those type of solutions that's trying to be completed. Zero code serving pre-built models by clicking deploy twice. So if you want to look into utilizing certain models, you can click on certain ones that are created. So I won't go into too much because I feel like that was self-explanatory. So overall, this is just showing you guys how to use that dashboard and how to use the click twice. So like I said, if you're interested in or your company is trying to utilize this, check out the links down below for those type of resources so I can help you guys as much as possible stay informed. But also, who knows, maybe you may be able to use some of the technology that's being evolved right now. Continuing on, we're going to see here that Decrypt at the Scene filmmaker Jordan Bain writes the Film 3 movement can help ensure that cinema reflects their diverse world. This was posted on October 3 of 2023, so kind of an older article, I would like to say. And I think when it comes to articles, anything more than a month or two is relatively old, but that's just my opinion. Just want to highlight some things here that I saw that I feel like was noteworthy. So here's that thumbnail if you want to take a quick pause and see the little introduction here. Storytelling is a fundamental means through which we connect with each other on a deeper level, fostering empathy, understanding, and a sense of community. Stories let us know we belong. Film 3 empowers creators and audiences alike, reshaping the cinematic landscape by allowing creators to take control of their narratives, share their unique perspectives, and live cultural experiences, and provide a profound witness to life to underserved communities. It is here that the global impact of Film 3 becomes evident, as diverse voices are celebrated rather than marginalized. Authenticity flourishes and harmful stereotypes begin to crumble. Film 3 is not just changing the narrative of filmmaking, it is altering course of their shared human experience, promoting cross-cultural understanding, which in the end has transformative power to change the world. So overall, and then to end, quote this author, Aisha Thomas, until society represents everyone, the question will always be, where do I belong and do I belong? So this just wants to highlight the importance of Film 3 in terms of creativity. And if you think about it, even in Hollywood, there's been just a reoccurring films of the same recycled material. So I feel like that's the reason why there was the strikes. And well, that also entails like other pay issues, owning, and things like that. From what I was able to read, but overall just showing the importance of new information, new videos, new movies, new communities to showcase certain type of topics that is not going to be money makers, I guess you could say, by Hollywood's eyes. But overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Definitely put some thoughts and comments as to what you think about this video or what you would like to see in the next future video. If you're an OG viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you guys. And if you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button, guys, for any kind of Theta news like I just said. If you're trying to stake your Theta tokens, check out my Theta Guardian node or my Elite Edge node. Or if you're trying to stake your T-Fuel, help out my channel, help out Theta community, but overall, help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible, and then you can utilize it however you want to restaking on the Edge node, the Elite Edge node for the T-Fuel, or you can utilize it on Theta Drop, Open Theta, or any of the future subchains on Theta. But until the next Theta update, the next Theta video, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.